Shit. Fucking rainy. Rainy. Now look at these fools right here. Can you believe that shit? Yo, she exaggerates. But it's not a picture, it's a video. Yo, I'll bet you $100 she comes complaining. We got soap.
Yeah, Papa. We're going to help. We're going to help. Oh, damn. You know what? Get loud.
Yo, Dan Barbara said she's making him YouTube famous.
Yeah, there you go. Melt, CJ Melton.
This is a normal family outing when you have kids. And they say have kids, right? Good idea, Vero? Yeah, right?
Have kids, they say.
We just want to celebrate Juany's birthday. Oh, look at the daddy of the year. He went out in the rain 3 times already. But Vero, he forgot something or what?
No, será tú que lo vas a pagar. Take
No, thank you. Let me see. You did the gayest one, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
That was all right. The butterfly? That's butterfly?
Take a video of that.
So,
Yeah.
that's the gayest one, right?
You still look, you know, like pretty.
So, Vero, what's the CJ status update?
I gave him my bracelet, the one that I've had for over a decade.
I never took off.
And that's what
Bam.
comforts him.
And I guess he's managing now. Let's hope. So we made progress? Yeah?
Progress, success, quiet.
It only took like an hour, right?
It only felt like an hour. That's long. It felt like an eternity. Felt longer than that.
And Ansel calmed down too. He woke up, got his little booster chair. Oh, and the Celeste is right here because she's a big girl. Hi, right, Celeste? Say hi. Say hi to
He
Aiden.
don't want to do that. He's just like.
Say hi to Aiden.
But now I see why.
You like to sleep more?
Now I see. I didn't understand.
Like an hour.
I was like, I just woke up.
Juany, what you were saying? What you were saying?
So you took it out of shit.
I got it on film. I got it on film.
Good.
That's Celeste's first time eating. What is that called again? Mozzarella sticks. She loving it. She's like, no, I don't want it.
You like it? You're right.
I'm not about that life.
You didn't know about calamari until he put you onto it. I know about mozzarella, I just didn't remember the words. You got your own ranch sauce? Good girl. Garlic fries. And what kind of fries are those, Beto?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. And you got the tacos. Now, Juany, what you got? You got the lava chicken? Vicky, what you got? Perfect. You can't talk to Vicky when she's eating, because forget it. I mean, Adi. What? So Juany, she's scared of everybody. Why is she walking like that? Why is she walking like that?
She does it in the store, I'm telling you.
She's scared to be outside. Mommy, come. You act like a weirdo. So, Juany, happy birthday. Guys, let's say happy birthday to Juany. How old are you, Juany? 25? You look 25.
39.
Was it 39, right?
You can never bring Ali to
Let's play a game. It's called Let's Bully Ali. Oh, but you first. Let's bully her. We're just kidding. We love you, Ali.
We really give the dog we really give the bones to the pickles for Ali.
Oh, qué altera.
Chicken first.
Relax. Say hi. Say hi, Aiden. I'm a kiss.
What are you sucking on?
And there goes Vicky.
You're just like grandma.
You're the Supergirl. Show me your shirt.
Under 33 years old.
Yeah. And Ansel. Where's Ansel? Ansel, you're the Batman today with the cape. Celeste, you look so cute. That's why you're my baby. Who you look like, me or your mommy? Say me. I look like you, right? Oh. So, what were the reviews? What do you think? Was it worth it, the food?
It was good.
Yeah, it was alright. You guys had a good time?
It was great.
Celeste?
Celeste, did you like your food?
Any followers?
Ansel, you like your french fries?
Okay.
Yeah, you liked it? You're not Superman. You Batman today, huh?
Yeah.
You still a punk.
No.
Yeah, and I gotta beat you up when I see you. You hear that thunder?
Yeah.
Oh, look at Titi Albert.
That's them?
Yeah, that's them right there.
Well,
Yeah, you can.